Quick tip of the day, I'm going to show you the benefits of using Motive's eye base. First of all, I'm going to use a Q-tip. Obviously, you don't want to double dip when you are working with other people, but I say don't double dip even with yourself because it can still hold bacteria. So I'm taking a clean Q-tip and I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. So for now, I'm just going to rub that in. Normally, when you use eye base, you do not need a lot. What's going to happen is that your makeup is going to seem like it just slides off. You need a tiny, tiny amount. And you just, take your toothpick, put it on the back of your hand, and then just dot some on. And then rub it the rest of the way and just kind of spread that out a little bit. You could even use a brush. It's going to make your eyeshadow more vibrant. Now, our eyeshadows are highly pigmented, as I always say, but this is going to make it even more intense. It's going to help it last all day, keep it looking fresh all day. And you're probably thinking, well, I use concealer for that. And you can, it's preference. But what concealer doesn't do is you'd have to feel it and try it for yourself, but it's this very sheer, soft veil. It's like a filter. It's awesome. But like I said, you're going to have to experience it for yourself. Now I have a lot on here for demonstration. So there's with nothing, and there's eye base. It's very, very pretty, and it's light. That's the thing. I've tried the concealer on my eyes first, and it's just too heavy, and I just want to scrub it off. But you don't feel like that with ours, unless you use too much. Don't use too much. 9 times out of 10, if I have a complaint, which is rare, it's because they've used too much. And I know I sound like a broken record because I say this about all of our products. Now, this dries to a powder. So it's very light, as I said before. So I am going to put some shadow on from our Element palette. So I'm using this one. Element palette is one of my best sellers. So here it is on top of eye base. And then here it is alone. So you can see the difference alone. And it's pretty. If you want just a little more sheer, lighter version, this is without eye base. This is with eye base. So you can see the difference. You can see you'll get more intense with the eye base or not. It's pretty both ways. So it just depends on the look you want. And it's very pretty both ways. But you can just see how intense that is. Motive's eye base. You can find Motive's eye base and Element palette by visiting my website, motivescosmetics.com/catsbeauty. Have a great day.